I guess I would say I feel like I take it more, I feel like I take it more seriously just because it's a world that I like didn't really know anything about before, and I feel like I have more of an entrance now. Not that I like dismissed it before, but I just didn't understand that it was like a whole world in terms of like cultural, both like past and present, and like a like real like wealth of stories and, you know, authors and like different forms of storytelling, like theatrical and written word and oral and all of that, which I, and like, you know, dance performance, just like all of it. Yeah. I feel like I just didn't know about that. I kind of thought that like maybe Yiddish was like a written, I don't know. I don't know what I thought, but I feel like I've like seen into a really cool room that I thought was going to be small and interesting, but that is actually like cavernous and like still largely untranslated as far as I know. So I think that was really unexpected and really like inspiring and really cool.